Hey, JJ here at Mixed Media Woodworks. Here's a quick unedited update. We've got a few things done here on our guitar neck, our bass neck, excuse me. Looking nice, feels really good, and it is very, very, very straight, which I like. So, the issue we're having today is, first off, we got to get all this cleaned up. Second, we're having issues with our computer. Every time I go to edit something in HitFilm, it shuts down the computer. I've tried three times now putting or reinstalling HitFilm. It's not an issue with it. It installs fine. Might be a heat issue. It might be my experimental at the time hard drive. It was one of the first digital hard drives that came out, and it's old. And I got a feeling it's going to shit. So we may have to get a new hard drive and reinstall an operating system. If that's the case, we're going to go dark for about a week doing it. Don't know. Shouldn't take that long, but I'm just saying it may take a while to get some of the programs back. At any rate, JJ here at Mixed Media Woodworks. Stay upright, breathing, and creating, because that's what I'm going to do.